fuck is this? You wear these diapers around Jared? Someone left a diaper in our driveway. This is some BS.
So clean in here. Look at this up. You just get a little. Watch this, Jared. I don't know what I'm doing. You said at this light.
How loud did you have to slam the door?
Hello guys. Welcome to the channel. I think today we're buying a new car. This is a very last minute spur of the moment decision to do, but yeah, I bought a new car, the first new car I've ever bought in my life, and we're gonna go pick it up, and it's exciting.
Are you excited?
I am, but I'm not. I'm like stoked, you know?
I feel like you're more curious.
I'm curious, because I'm not like, it's not like the car's cool, but it's not like
one of your dream cars.
Yeah, it's just, it's gonna be a fun build, that's all. I am excited, not gonna lie.
Good.
I'm excited. I'm more excited for the W.
Beautiful.
You like the new whip I got?
Mm-hmm.
Really downgrading from the STI.
Looks like Cameron's.
It does. Whenever you guys are back up. Awesome. Yeah.
Whoa.
Welcome to your new car.
That
If you want to move it into more photogenic place, you certainly can do that.
This is good here. Are you gonna shoot photos here, Jared?
Yeah, I just don't like the whole certified pre-owned thing in the background.
Oh yeah. That's different for sure.
Definitely interesting.
Better in person versus photos.
Yeah, I like it way more in person.
The color's pretty fire. Huh. That's cool. It is black interior. Jared, you ordered an automatic?
That looks really nice.
I gotta head to the DMV and get new plates.
We do all that for you. Yeah. You're just gonna get a phone call from Jay, our Encore delivery specialist.
There she be.
Shit's busted.
Put it in the
The
trunk.
window's open on the other side, so it may not do anything for you.
Okay, I'll just, here Jared, I'll turn the light on for you.
The car has to be locked in order to do certain things.
Let me put my stuff down.
Hello?
Do you want to pop the trunk?
Hee. This is a fire color.
I know, I
Satin
really
white
like
pearl.
it. Baby, pop the trunk for me. So I can put all your shit in it.
Are you getting mad?
Yeah, I said it like 10 times. I like how I really like the taillights. I like how they're all black already.
This is the ugliest goddamn car I've ever bought.
No.
But not for long. I'm curious to see how much different it is than the older gen. Well, boys, here's the new build. I don't know when I'm gonna build it because I got 40 other cars to build, including Jared's and Bobby's. Dude, it looks the same.
It does look exactly the same.
I bet I could pull the FRS turbo kit off and slap it on this
So
bad boy.
freaking clean.
So, guys, this is a 2.4 liter, and apparently they make a little bit more sauce than the old 2.0s, so I'm gonna have to go do a burnout.
You're talking so quiet.
No, I'm not.
Oh.
But yeah, it looks identical to the older gen. It really does. Like, everything's the same. I bet it'd be really, really similar to take the turb ski off the FRS. Should I do it today?
Yeah. Yes.
First boosted BRZ in the world. Damn. She needs some love. Like, just even like a lip, wheels.
I was thinking the skirt
God.
flips. A lip.
It's not a good looking car stock like the older ones is.
Baby, all FRSs really aren't that attractive stock.
Yeah, XD twin in that thing.
All BRZs are like kind of ugly stock.
Bullshit. The older ones are fire.
I can't hear it.
You just hear the engine noises.
Yeah. so quiet. Damn, this is loud.
Well, where's traction control? Turn that shit off. We have to do at least one burnout right out the gate, right?
Of course.
Is that bad?
Yeah.
It's already broken in.
The 6 miles on it? I hate it. These windows aren't tinted.
The dash is actually really nice. The digital dash. This one right here. Let me crank this. What? This thing holds ass compared to the older
It
ones.
does. It actually
No
has
shit.
some power.
What? That's sick. The 2.4 really puts out.
How do you turn on the heat up in here? I think you gotta do on off.
Damn. That was actually impressive. This interior
Look how nice that is.
for a freaking BRZ, they stepped it up a lot.
Yeah, they did.
Should we do another one?
Sure.
Bro, she eats. Damn, I'm actually like kind of excited now that it makes a little more sauce than the older ones. Shit, wrong way.
Can you say that again?
You must have pressed something on the steering wheel.
I don't know how to use this damn thing. Sick burnout! Bro, this thing eats. This thing rips.
Does it?
Yeah, surprisingly. Way more than the older ones.
Hell yeah.
How did it look cool doing a burnout?
Yep.
I gotta get out and see like a, you know, in the life perspective of this guy. Come on, let's go check her out.
I think I hear Rod knock.
Oh, I would now. I did 3 burnouts already. What's the stats on that? 3 burnouts in 6 miles. It's pretty good. The most confusing thing is this. Why did they put these on there? It needs to be out to here. The big old kit. Hell yeah, this is exciting though. I'm stoked for it. Comment below, what do you guys think of the new BRZ? Like I said earlier, I wasn't really planning on buying one, and then Jared found this car right here in Spokane, and it worked out perfect. Because like they're super hard to find right now. So big shout outs to Jared, by the way.
Sick car. Dude, same day you texted me.
It was 2 hours later.
Yeah.
That worked out good. You wanna drive?
This is the first one in the area, right?
Yeah.
That's cool.
First one in Spokane. So if you see me driving around my BRZ, feel free to say hi. Goddamn car that I own.
Let's see how fast I can break it. All right, so.
What do you
this
think?
is actually really spacey
Well,
for me. Like, if you compare to the Supra,
Yeah. What do you think?
I like it. I really like this, the digital dash.
Yeah. It's pretty sick. It does got a rod knock.
Now it
Shit.
does. No, this thing's dope.
Hell
I've
yeah,
never
dude.
be in a car that just has 5 miles on it. That's really weird.
Does it say 5?
Yeah.
No, I thought it was 6.
Cool. Oh, these are cool. Whoa.
Stoked. I'm excited. And it's satin white pearl. So this color right here is the color we were gonna spray the hatch, but it's really hard to paint apparently. But yeah, satin white pearl. Very beautiful color, and it still has some wrap on it from the dealer. Also really dope. This is the first brand new car I've ever bought. So fun. Are you headed home?
Yep.
Sick.
I gotta go edit some pictures of this thing.
Are you getting gray in the beard?
Am I?
You are.
No, I'm not.
Holy shit, do I
Am I really?
I stressed you out too much.
Oh god, yeah.
Oh,
It's that
okay.
last launch really did me in.
Fuck, bro. Alright.
Alright.
Later, bro. You dig?
I dig.
Okay, cool.
I dig
Alright.
a lot.
Comment the first mod we gotta do. Even though there's not much parts available for these things, like nothing really.
Can I see?
But we can do wheels.
We need tint.
I know, this is a fishbowl.
Yeah, this is not okay.
Elko, where you at, bruh?
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's go cruise. Where's the GoPro? Oh, it's back there. Let's go cruise the BRZ. This is so weird buying a brand new car. Like, I feel like I don't deserve it.
Okay, I'm not gonna hear that.
But I don't.
You do, and everybody knows it. What, you want to drive that?
Hell yeah. I've been buying way too nice of stuff these days. I gotta go back to my roots, you know?
Keep up to keep my nose. I'm just joking.
Jared better go in the other lane. Oh, hell yeah. The race is on. Ready to get gapped? Hold up. Tractor control's gotta go off. Oh, for this race. I gotta let her eat a little bit, warm the tires up. What? I literally gapped him. That wasn't even close. What is going on? Zoom in on his face, because he knows he's just got gapped. What is going on? Zoom in on his face, because he knows he's just got gapped. On the older ones, you know what that feels like? It's completely gone now.
Like it takes a minute to get going. I can't wait to drive it. See how it compares to my I like the rev limiter.
That's sick. It flashes red.
Yeah,
that was kind of cool. Alright, enough ripping her. Goodbye. Whoa. Not so fast there, bucko.
What's up?
You know. What's the name? That's a real conversation we need to have. Prop you up on my phone. What's the name? It's a Subaru, so it could start with something S, like Sally or
Okay,
soda.
hold on, I need to get the settings.
I got boogers? Damn. Or it could be something with the B, like Bob, the builder.
Put your hand up. I think it needs to do with Subaru or being white or
That's racist.
or a BRZ.
Let's call it the white supremacist, like every white American apparently is, like me.
Baby.
Oh, too far, sorry.
Let's
call it Kyle Rittenhouse.
Its name
'Cause it-
should be Whitney. For white.
Whitney?
Yeah, you
Is it
kind of
a-
like it.
It's pretty vibey.
Whitney.
All right, well, let's do it.
Whitney, she is.
No. We got to
Oh.
change the name on the car. So when you start it up, it says, "Hello, I'm Whitney."
You can't change that.
I don't. Change device name. I think that's just for
Like hooking up to it.
probably, but
N-E-Y.
Whitney. Hell yeah. Welcome to Whitney. This thing's fire. I like it more and more that I look at it more. Like the interior's sick. Look at the interior, guys. It's nice. The dash. I almost clicked up here again. The dash is like digital. It's a little startup sequence. The climate control is nice. Dual climate control. Same as the older ones, but these are more high tech. Radio looks kind of funny, but it's very keepable.
Yeah,
It like sticks out very far from the dash,
I like it.
but it's nice, yeah. This is a limited, so I don't know what is different, but You have heated seats.
I know, I saw that.
That's your favorite part.
It is. We need the ejecto button.
Yes. I like how they left that there. Comment below what you guys think. I'm gonna wrap it up right here. We need to get some mods in.
ASAP.
Anybody make a wide body kit besides Pandem? Should I just get a Pandem kit?
No.
Okay. Okay, goodbye.